Just give me a minute. My Chrome browser is a mess right now. We go to collab. Okay, let me share my screen, Nikhil. From there we will start.
Yep.
You are able to see my screen, right, Nikhil?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, on yesterday's class, we saw about the data types and understanding
Yep.
list and how to create a list, index a list, and slicing a list, right?
Mm-hmm.
What will be on today's class? So today we will see about lists again, and then we will see about what is set. Okay, set was not part of your classes previously. I just missed it previously when I was designing the course. So I have added set also. Set also it's very needed, and we will talk about dictionaries, and we will see how to do basic dictionary operations. Okay, so this is what it is all about. Class 7 today and class 6. Did you open this notebook, Nikhil?
Yeah, I have it.
No. No, I didn't see any changes from you. Okay. Okay. Nikhil, start doing these exercises, okay,
Yeah.
on class 6 so that you will get an understanding on what is a list. On next class, you are going to teach me about all these things like class 6 and class 7.
Yeah.
Okay, I will give you 15 minutes time before we start the session. You prepare the content for 15 minutes in a new notebook, and you will teach me like how to do all these class 6 things as well as this class 7 things, whatever we are going to learn today. Okay.
Yeah.
And after that, we will see the class 8 on the next class. Okay.
Yeah.
So in today's class, we will see about lists first. There is a quick summary here. Okay, so this is today's class notebook. I will be sharing it to you first. So I'm sharing it saying that this is for class 7 notebook. Okay. You got it, right? Just check your mail.
Yes, it has just come through. I'm opening it in right now.
Okay, that's good. Cool.
Okay, yep, it's open.
Okay, so yeah, can you please share the screen and explain me about this list, Nikhil? I have put a recap here so that you can go through and you can try to understand like what is happening here. From there, we will start about sets. Okay.
Okay.
So that I just wanted to know like how much you have understood out of the last class.
Can you see my screen?
I just it's loading. Oh, not it. Yeah, can you please stop sharing and reshare again?
Yep.
Teams got an issue.
Here, can you see?
No, I didn't see the webcam as well. Just a minute. Oh my God, my team's got no. Just a minute, Nikhil, I am just disconnecting from the class.
Okay.
And I am joining back.
Yep.
System recommendation. Something. Are you able to see now, Nikhil?
No.
Yeah, share it now. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Check. Okay. What is it?
Can you see?
Yeah, I'm able to see your screen. Yep.
Okay, so wait, I'm sharing class 7, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, let's see, where is it? Yep, here, this is the summary of the last class, class 6,
Okay.
where we went about on lists and how they work, and
Okay.
then how and like slicing and all those other parts of lists,
Mm-hmm.
and like
Okay.
indices and floaters,
Good.
indices, integers, I mean,
Okay.
yeah. And then let's see. Oh yeah, this is it. Okay, so the list is it has Marvel heroes and then has the different Marvel characters,
Yeah.
and then it would print F, the first hero, which is Iron Man, and then
Okay.
it says 0, which then it would print Iron Man,
Okay.
and then the second one it would print the second one, which happens to be Spider-Man,
Good.
and
Good. Good.
list 1 because this is 0, this is 1,
Good.
this is 2, and this is 3. So there's
Good.
4 in total. There's 4 in total,
Okay.
but it only
Okay.
counts up to 3. So in the first
Okay.
one is Iron Man, then it'll print. Then it
Okay.
will print it. So here, if I were to copy it and then put in a, let's see, no, I'll do that
Good.
after.
So
Yeah,
okay. Okay.
and
Not an issue.
if I were
Just
to print,
yeah. We don't need to run the code now. Yeah, you can do it later. Yep.
yeah, and if I were to print it, it would be those two, and then the next
Okay.
one, it would be if it's a number 2, then it would print it, and then it also updates the list.
Okay.
It's updating the list, and it'll have Thor because that's what
Okay.
it is.
Yeah.
And here, and then it adds another one, and it
Okay.
adds Hulk, and
Okay.
then it removes Black Widow. So Black Widow's out, and Hulk has been added.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, and then here it keeps going,
Okay.
and then it adds Doctor Strange, and then it
Okay.
removes Thor because it's got dot remove and dot append,
Okay.
which adds, and this removes,
Okay.
and then it keeps going, removing and adding, and then pop that takes the
Okay.
last one out of the last list,
Okay. Good.
and the last one in the list is Doctor Strange. So Doctor
Okay.
Strange has been taken away.
Okay. Okay.
And then it inserts Black Panther at 1, which means Black Panther's now the second one.
Okay.
And then now it will list it alphabetically because it used the sort function, which
Okay.
starts sorting it alphabetically.
Okay. There is a sort function which we didn't see it on last class. We saw about len function, right? So this is called
Yeah.
sort. The same way, if you do a dot sort, it will sort it in an alphabetical way.
Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen and let's continue this session.
Okay, here, let's stop sharing.
Yeah. So you are able to understand, right, Nikhil? That's what I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
And that's why I was asking you to share the screen and do all this stuff. Okay. So yeah, today we have seen about all these things, right? This list
Yes.
recap and then sets and then yeah, list recap you did now. And we will see about sets and then we will see about dictionaries. Okay. So how we see lists, right? The same way, if you are able to add duplicates also in a list, it will allow. Okay, before we go here, let me add a code block here. Suppose if I put this, okay, I will just putting this. Where is my code? Yeah, here. So if I run this, I'm just getting it like Ironman Spider-Man, right? Same way, if I again put Ironman here, it will accept.
Yeah.
Means that it is accepting duplicates. See, it is accepting the duplicates, right? Ironman
Yeah.
I am doing, and here also I am inserting Ironman, right? So means that
Yeah.
even I can put duplicate elements also into this list, it will accept.
Yeah.
Okay, and what happens was like I didn't do a sort here. Let me do a sort also. Okay.
Yeah.
We need to put like this. Score heroes dot sort, because this is a function. I cannot assign it here. So I can see it like this. This is like this is the non-sorted one. Okay.
Yeah.
First one, it is showing the list as it is. Like whatever positions it is there, the same thing it is doing. But after sorting, what's happening was it will start with the alphabetical sorting. So the B will come first, and then C, and then I. Likewise, it's an
Oh, yeah.
alphabetical sorting. Okay, so it
Yep.
starts from A to Z like this. Suppose if I am putting some alphabets like this, like A, comma, D, comma, N, comma, M. Okay.
Then
So
print.
it's not in sorted manner, right? So if I want to sort it, what I will do is dot sort. If I do this function, this will be sorted and this will be stored in this alps, this variable. Okay, if I run this,
Oh, yeah, and then it's sorting it.
it's not sorting. Yeah. Yeah, I already put it in certain order only. See, N and M
Yeah.
I did. Wait. Put C here. C, right? And then B, right? So it's not in the correct way, right?
Yeah.
A here, and then B here, and then C here, and then D here, and then M here and N here. So I need it
Yeah.
in A, B, C, D, M, and likewise. So this one is an unsorted list, I can say. Okay.
Yeah.
So this unsorted list, if you want to make it as a sorted list, you need to use this sort function. So if you do a sort function, what it will do, it will simply sort it on top of this itself. So you can assign it to another variable also. B is equal to B, likewise. So what it will do, it will sort it on. See, it's not trying to assign it in another variable. You can simply use it directly. Right? It's not allowing you to assign it to another variable. Okay.
Yeah.
It will simply ask you to put it. See, the sort function is applied on this entire list, and
Yeah.
this list only you are printing it again. Okay. So this is sorted list and this is an unsorted list. Got it, right?
Yep.
Okay. So this is accepting duplicates also. This one I missed to tell you in the last class. See, Iron Man, I have added one more Iron Man here, right? So even though
Yeah.
if I am adding one more Iron Man, it's allowing duplicates also here. So I don't want to allow duplicates. I want only the unique items. Okay. So in this
Mhm.
sense, there is something called sets comes into picture. Like how we have lists, the same way we have something called sets. Okay,
Yeah.
you will represent sets with this bracket. It's not square bracket. This is called set bracket.
Oh,
This
yep.
bracket itself, we are calling it a set bracket. You know, like in mathematics also we use this as a set bracket, right?
Yep.
This set bracket, we will store this array of elements. Like take for an example, apple, banana, cherry, apple again, because I am trying to make it as duplicate, and orange, and again I am putting banana also. Let's try. Okay, even though
Yeah.
if I put everything, okay, if I try to print this, I don't want to confuse you with this format function. Okay, you know about this format function, right, Nikhil?
Yeah.
F means
Wait.
format. So format means like if I put a set bracket here and if I am representing the variable name, then what it will does is it will simply put everything here like this. This is format. So this format we could have covered in this first few classes.
Yeah.
Okay, so here you can see like we put 2 times apple and 2 times banana, right? So we have duplicated banana here, we have duplicated apple here. But even though it will simply return me the unique elements. So this set will contain only the unique elements. Even though if you move duplicates, it will automatically remove the duplicates.
Yeah.
Okay, you can put duplicates inside a set, but set will automatically remove the duplicates.
Yeah.
Okay, so here apple 2 times, so that 2 times it will become a 1 time step. Banana is there. So most probably set we use to remove duplicates. See, that's what I have written here. Sets in Python are an unordered collection of unique items. Okay,
Yeah.
so this set is perfect to store the items.
Mm.
Okay, it will automatically remove the duplicates. Okay.
Yeah.
The same way, like we have the list methods, right? Like we have an
Mm-hmm.
add, we have a remove, right? In the last class we saw.
Yeah.
The last class we saw we have an add, remove, right? Append, insert, remove, pop, all these things, right? Same way, set also you can add like this using an add function.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we don't have a grape, so you can add a grape like this. If you want to remove banana, you can use
Yeah.
remove likewise. Okay, add and remove are two set functions. Okay, so this is
Mm.
how you can add and you can remove items from the set.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the same way we have something called set operations. So this operations we don't have in list. List don't have these operations. Whatever
Yeah.
operations we are going to see now. Okay. In your class, you have studied about this union, intersection, and differences. You remember in your
Mm-hmm.
max classes,
Yeah.
A union B and A intersection B, right?
Mm-hmm.
Remember A union B likewise,
Mm-hmm.
and A intersection B likewise. It, did you ever go through this, Nikhil? Set
Yeah, I
operation,
have.
union, intersection, and differences. Okay. The same way we have two sets here. Okay. So this is set A, I can say. This is tropical fruits. These tropical fruits are banana, pineapple, mango, orange. And we have summer fruits here. And in summer fruits, we have watermelon, peach, mango. Mango is common between both. And we have
Mm.
grape and we have pineapple. Pineapple is also common between both.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Yeah.
if I want to combine these two, okay, that is combination of two fruits means that if I want to combine everything as a single list, tropical fruits and summer fruits. Okay, so I am making it as all fruits, and I am doing tropical fruits. This is set A. Union. The keyword itself is union only. Okay, you are combining both the sets, set A and set B. Yeah, I am running a max class here, right? So
Yeah.
you are doing A union B. So this is tropical fruits union summer fruits like this. So you are combining this set and this set and produce a single set with all fruits. So in
Yeah.
this sense, like there are some duplicates, right? This mango and pineapple. So these duplicates will be removed. When you are doing union also, this duplicate will be removed and it will produce a unique list like this. See, peach, grape, mango, pineapple, orange, banana, watermelon. Here there is no two mangoes, there is no two pineapples, right? Only one pineapple and one mango.
Uh-huh.
Right? You are getting it right because
Yeah.
set won't contain a duplicate. So this all fruits is a set. So that set will not contain a duplicate. Right?
Mm.
All
Yeah.
fruits. Just printing. We saw about this type of variable, right?
Yeah.
Type of will give the data type.
Yes.
Okay, so here we are mentioning type of this is set. Okay, so this type of all these fruits, this variable is set. Okay, so this set will not contain a duplicate. So when you do an A union B, this will not contain a duplicate, even though if you do a union. Okay, and also
Yeah.
intersection. There is another function called intersection. This is A intersection B, means that this tropical fruits intersection of summer fruits. So when you do a tropical fruits intersection of summer fruits, you will get only the common elements. So these common elements are mango, pineapple,
Yeah.
right? So this mango, pineapple only you are getting. So that is also a set. So that will contain in that will be stored in these common fruits.
Yeah.
Okay, next one is you need to find out the fruits which are present in here but not present in summer fruits. Okay, means that there is a difference, right? A difference B, A minus B. So this
Yeah.
A minus B, that is tropical fruits minus summer fruits, means that these elements which are not present in here. So in that sense, mango and pineapple are already there. So the resultant will be banana and orange,
Yeah.
right? So that's what it is coming here. So this is the difference. Okay. So now you are getting it, right? So what is a
Yeah.
union, what is an intersection, and what is a difference? So difference is nothing but A minus B. So the elements of a set which are present in A should not contain in B. Likewise.
Yeah.
So this is how this difference is working, and intersection is the common elements between these two sets, and union is the combination of both the sets. Okay, A union B,
Yeah.
A intersection B, and A minus B. Likewise, you can say. So this is how union, intersection, and difference works. Okay, so this is very, very important when you are avoiding duplicates and when you are doing any set operations in most of the Python programs. So
Yeah.
when you are cleaning data or when you are doing some kind of duplicate removal, okay, so there and all in Python, people use sets to do that. Okay, previously I missed it in the agenda,
Last.
but I just added it because I just realized that we have missed the sets. I thought like,
Yeah.
okay, we will cover it in list itself. So sets itself is very, very important in Python. Okay. And we can check the membership also. Membership means suppose in case if banana is present in this tropical fruits, then it is true. If peach is present in summer fruits, then it is true. Okay, but banana will not present in summer fruits, right? So if banana is present in summer fruits, if we are checking, then it is false,
Yeah.
right? So that is called as membership. Membership is nothing but checking a member is present in this set.
Mm.
Okay, you are testing a member is present in this set. Likewise, see, take for an example. This is a variable. Okay, so we are checking mango, whether mango is present in tropical fruits. Is it right? It's present in tropical fruit. So this is true. So this
Yeah.
condition is true. So this is mango tropical will become true. And it is
Yeah.
asking like this pear in summer means that this is a variable. So in this variable, we are checking like pear. Pear is present in summer fruits or what? No, there is no pear in this summer fruits list. So this
Yeah.
will become false. So here this will return false. Okay, that's why we are getting a true first and we are getting a false second.
Yeah.
It is saying is mango a tropical fruit? It is true. Is pear a summer fruit? It is getting false.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what is all about sets. So we saw about what is a set. Set will not contain duplicate elements, and we can add and remove elements from the set using this add remove functions, as like how we are doing in list. Okay,
Yeah.
and then like we saw about what's an union, what's an intersection, and what is a difference. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we saw about like how to do union, intersection, and difference with a fruits example. And we saw about what is membership. Okay.
Yeah.
Then now there is a do it yourself challenge. Okay. So
Oh,
this challenge you can try it on yourself after the class and try to understand like how this entire things are working. Like we saw about this 7.2.1, 7.2.2, 7.2.3, and 7.2.4. So all these four things will be covered in this do-it-yourself exam.
yeah.
Okay, try something like this or try to build something on your own.
Oh, okay. Like my
Okay.
own code.
Yeah, you can try out with your own code so that you can come to know how the sets are working.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, and okay, so up to this point, you have any doubts, Nikhil? We have completed
No.
sets and lists so far.
Yeah. Now we're up to dictionary.
Yeah, now we are seeing dictionaries. Okay, dictionary is like you are having a table of content and you are it's like a kind of a table of contents.
Yeah.
Okay, in your first page of the note, what you will do, you will have a key value like this. Index. In the index, you will be mentioning number. That's your key. See how table of contents page in notebook. Uh, This is how a table of contents page look like, right? You
Mm.
will have a
Yeah.
page number and you will have a title, right?
Yeah.
So consider this as a dictionary. Okay. So this
Yeah.
page number is here, right? So this is called as key. And this
Oh.
title here, right? So this is called as value.
Mm.
Okay. So suppose in case you are giving some 5 and then this means that this page number 5, this particular thing is present. So this key is having this value. So it's called as key value pair. Okay. So this is how a table looks like. Okay. Take for an example. Here we are creating a students list of students and their grades. Okay. So here students are the key. Alice is the key here. Okay. And he gets an A grade. So A is his value. Okay. So this is key and this is value. Like this. So this is also kind of set representation, but this is not exactly set. This is like a kind of dictionary. Okay, this type is called a dictionary. You can see like a dict in type of. Whenever you want to check a variable, what you need to do? You need to do a type of function.
Yeah.
So type function. See, it is saying that class dict. Dict means what? This is dictionary. It's not set, right?
Yeah.
So a dictionary consists of a key and value. And
Mm-hmm.
for separating the key and value, we have something called a separator. The separator is nothing but a colon.
Mm.
Okay, so this is like a kind of table of contents. You can remember like this. This is like table of contents. So this is key and this is value like this.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, these things and all are keys. And I am saying like introduction to Python, and then this is data structure, this is control structure. So those things and all are like values. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's how the key value pairs are working. So in our example, we have something called student grades. Okay, this is our dictionary. This is going to be our dictionary. Okay, if I just hover around, what it is saying. See, it is saying a dict of, that is dictionary of student grades. So this data type is dictionary and it contains 4 items. So in that 4 items, one is key and this is value. So every
Yeah.
item is having a key and a value. So this is having
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4. So anything is separated with comma, that is called as an item. So this dictionary contains 4 items. So out of that 4 item, each item will contain a key and value pair. Okay. So this is a key and this is the value. So Alice is the key. Okay. So I can access this grade of Alice by saying that, yeah, like this. If I put a square bracket and if I am putting the key here, this is key, right? So with this
Mm-hmm.
key, I can access Alice grade. Suppose in case if I am giving a key named Arul here, and I am having a value of, I am getting C grade, okay? Or if I get fail, okay? I have F grade. So in that sense, my dictionary will have these names and I can access my grade, okay? Arul's grade here, like this. If I put Arul here, okay, so this is the dictionary. This is the key. This key is having this value. So if I mention key here, I will be getting this value of F.
Yeah.
See F. Can mention like this. Come on. Okay. I'm mentioning like my grade is F like this. Okay. I'm just trying to access the key so that I will get the value of this key. And that value of the key, I am retrieving it here like this. So when you access the key, you will get the value. It's like opening a door.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to access the table of contents, so here you have some 10 items means if you give 10 here, then you will get the 10th value like this.
Oh. Yep. 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 I see it.
Okay, same way. Here you are giving this as a key. Okay, let's see either it is allowing me to create a duplicate key.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what it will do when I access array? It's allowing me to create a duplicate key. But even though what is the, see, you are getting it right. It is
Uh-huh.
simply removing this. If you are putting a duplicate here, what it will do is it is taking the last occurrence position and it is
Mm.
ignoring it. See the list, the highlighted one is not at all there in the list.
Yeah.
See what it is doing, because this is a
Oh, it's a set of it, and
set of
so
key value pairs, I can say.
oh, that's why.
Okay, so this is a set, and inside that set, you have some key values. Okay, if you are putting a duplicate key here, this is a key. This key, if you are doing a duplication, what it will do, it will simply remove it, and it is just keeping the last occurrence value. See, this is a duplicate key. Either, even though the values might be different, this is F and this is A. Okay, so inside that dictionary, you can have only one key, one unique key. Getting it right, Nikhil, or I'm
Yeah,
confusing it?
I'm getting it.
Okay, so we are thinking that this might contain 6 items, but actually, since this is the set bracket, okay, this is considering it as a set and it is removing the duplicates. You will have only one key, or you cannot have a duplicate key. I can say. Even if you have a duplicate key, it is ignoring one key and it is just preserving the last key. Okay. So this is how you can access the key and you can modify the key like this. See, let me do like this. Access the key. So I am putting my name. So I am restricting my grade. To my this things. Or I just automate it. Let's keep this. Year of Charlie. Because there is no Charlie, that's why. First of all, I need to put this complete dictionary here. This, yeah, here it is. Need to put student grades. Okay, this is my list. This is my dictionary. Okay, students list, students grades. Okay, so this is my dictionary, students grades. So this dictionary, I am printing it first. Okay, my grades list is having Alice, Bob, Diana, Arul, Eve. Okay, so out of that, I am trying to access my grade alone or Alice grade alone. Okay, so here it is showing the values from the dictionary. This is the key. This key we are passing and we are getting this value. This is what we saw here, right?
Yeah.
See here, I'm passing a key and I am getting only the value here. A, likewise. The same way we are getting A. Okay. Next thing is if I want to add a new key value pair. Okay, so what I will do is student grade. Grades of, suppose if I am adding Nikhil.
Yeah.
Okay, what I will do is how I will add a key value pair is like A plus, likewise. Okay.
Yeah.
So now I will get, see, I have updated the list with your name, Nikhil A plus, likewise.
Yeah.
So what I am doing is I am just putting this as a new key. If I am adding a new key here, this is a new key and this is the new value. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm simply accessing this dictionary and in this dictionary, I'm adding a new key with a new value. When I'm doing it, my dictionary will be auto updated.
Yeah.
So this is how you can add a new key value pair. Okay.
Yes.
And also I can modify an existing student grade also. Grades of are equal to, I'm just modifying my grade to B. Okay. Modifying Arul's grade. Okay. I'm just
Mm-hmm.
modifying my grade to B. This value I'm modifying. Previously it was A, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now see, my grade becomes B, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm not inserting anything new. I'm just modifying it because this key is already existing. This key is a
Yeah.
new key. That's why it added a new Nikhil. But this is an existing key. So in this existing key, if I am passing a value, that's like a kind of a modification. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how you are doing accessing a list and modifying a list. Same way you can delete and delete the students also.
Yeah.
Okay. If I just simply put del students grades of Arul. So if I remove my grades, okay, after removing Arul's grade, what happens? It will simply remove my grade. See?
Oh, yeah. Your name is gone now.
Yeah. So for that, we will be using something called the del directly. So this del will delete my grade. Okay. Delete Arul's grade I can say. Same way, this is to modify Arul's grade. So here we are inserting a new key. So yeah, you need to always write some meaningful comments in your code. That's a good practice. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
getting arrays. Okay, whenever you are typing a code, it's always a better practice to write something. Why it is throwing an error?
Cause you only have
Because in my
uh
previous run, I have deleted arrow.
oh, and then now you're trying
So my
to
dictionary itself is not having arrow, right?
yeah.
So when my dictionary itself is not having arrow, if it is trying to Arul's grade, then it will throw an error, right?
Mm-hmm.
See what it is saying exactly. Key error Arul means that there is no key named Arul present now in the dictionary. In your current dictionary, we have Alice, Bob, Diana, Eve, and Nikhil. There
Oh,
is
cause
no
you took it
Arul
out
here
of
because we
yeah.
already did a delete. Okay. So if I need to add it, what I will do? I will
You
simply
would
put student grades of Arul is equal to C like this. Okay.
and then it will make it work.
Now adding rows. Okay. So now it will work because I am adding Arul into dictionary. This key into dictionary with a grade of C. Okay. So
Mm.
now my dictionary will be updated with the C, and then there I am getting my grade, and I am inserting your grade also, and I am modifying my grade from C to B, and I am deleting. Okay.
Yeah.
See, now it's working without any errors, right?
Yeah.
So this is how you can access, modify the dictionary. Access and modify and remove a key value pair using in the dictionary. Getting it right, Nikhil? Or I
Yes.
am going fast.
I get it.
Okay, fine. So the same way you can get a key value pair like this. See, this is having keys, right? So if you want to get all the dictionary keys, you can use this one,
Yeah.
this function to get all the keys. The same way, if you want to get all the values from this dictionary, you can use this values function. So this key is a function and values is a function. So if you mention like keys, it will return all the keys. If you mention like values, it will return all the values. Okay. The same way we checked on set relationship, right? Same way you can check a key is present in this or not. Okay. And yeah, there is something called defaulting. Okay. You can try to get the value of Frank. If the value of Frank is not available, okay, you need to mention like no grade available. Okay, okay, let's run this example and I will explain. See, now we have the keys named Alice, Bob, Diana, Eve, and Nikhil. Where is Arun?
He's been taken out.
Yeah, I have been taken out using this del command, right? So this
Yeah.
del removed my grade, so that's why Arun is not there. So what you are trying to do is, first of all, you are getting all the keys only. It's not having any values. Okay, if I want to extract only the keys, then what I will do, I will use this keys function. Okay, then
Yeah.
the same way we can use this values function to get only the values.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you have these keys, now you have these values, and also you can check whether this key is existing or not. Instead of Diana, I am typing arrow. Okay,
Yeah.
so arrow in the dictionary, like as I was asking. Okay, just changing this variable into arrow here also arrow because I don't know Diana. Okay. See, my name is not present in dictionary. That's why it is saying false,
Yeah.
right? Because this is a relationship check. This is called as relationship check in a dictionary. Means that you are just checking whether this particular key is present in this dictionary or not. Either it should always returns a true or false. Either true or false. Okay. So it should always saying me an answer with true or false. Okay. And also there is some cases. See, take for an example. I am trying to get like this. Okay. As is there right? Same way. Present or Arul's presence, like this I can say. Okay. If Arul, if I am trying to get the students grades, get Arul. Okay. And if I am trying to, I will try to get Arul. Okay. And if Arul is not found, I need to give a message saying that Arul is not present in student grades. Right? So if I will try to fetch Arul first, okay, from the dictionary. Okay.
Yeah.
Student grades. Okay, student grades is the dictionary name. I put it wrongly first. Okay. So in this dictionary, I will try to get Arul first. This key first. This Arul is my key. So I will try to check this Arul first. If Arul is not present, then I need to throw this message. Okay. If Arul is having some value, then this will have this Arul's value. If Arul is not having any value, this key is not having any value, then it will show this message likewise. So likewise, you can use this get function and put one more message whenever it is not found. Okay. So here we are printing arrows presence. Let's run and see what's happening. See, it's saying me like whatever I have put here. Suppose if I check Nikhil, because Nikhil is present in this, right? Let me check Nikhil. Okay, so go to student grades that get Nikhil. So if Nikhil is not present, then only I will get this. Nikhil is not present in student grades. But in our case, Nikhil is present in the dictionary already. So it should return me A plus here.
Mm.
See, it's
Yeah.
returning me A plus. Yeah. Right?
Yep.
This is how you can check a key's value in a dictionary. Okay. If that key's value is present in the dictionary, you can get that value. Otherwise, you can default a message here saying that, hey, Nikhil is not present in the student grades, likewise.
Yeah.
Arul is not present in the student grades. Or if it is present, it will return the value. If it is not present, it will return the message, whatever we are giving here. Okay, so this is how dictionaries get function works.
Yeah.
Okay, you can directly access the dictionary with the key with a square bracket like this. See, you can directly access a dictionary with a square bracket like this, or else you can use this get function to access it with a default message if it is not
Oh,
present.
yeah.
Okay, now you are getting it, right, Nikhil?
Yes. It makes sense now.
So this is all about dictionaries. Okay, so far any doubts, Nikhil, in list, set,
Um,
dictionaries?
so my only real doubt is,
Okay,
uh, so if I were to forget to put the underscore between the student and grades, would it
okay.
make much of a difference? Or
So
like,
it's just a naming convention. Even if you put like this also it works. See,
uh,
student grades. But we have declared that variable like that. See, if we are declaring a dictionary like this, it's a separate variable again.
oh, okay. Yeah, that was my only doubt. Okay, yeah.
Okay. So now if you are printing it, you will be getting like this. So this is a different dictionary. So we have declared the student grades dictionary here
Yeah. Okay, that
in
makes
top,
sense.
right? So here only, this one only we are, because we put an underscore here itself. That's why. So if you don't put an underscore here, then we need to change all these variables wherever we are
Mm-hmm.
referencing.
Yes.
Okay. So otherwise you can declare your own variable like this. The problem is like this will see if I am reading it, I am not able to understand what this is, right? Sometimes I can understand, okay, this is two words. Otherwise, suppose if I am reading like this, stud and gra des like this. So
Yeah.
then it don't makes any sense, right? So to make a word separator, we are using
Uh,
this underscore
yeah.
just
Yeah,
to
that
make
makes
sure that okay, we are not messing it up like this.
yeah.
It just improves the readability of the code. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, that was my only question.
Yeah. Even you can put any name you want in any variable.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there is one more do-it-yourself challenge as like we saw in sets. Same kind of set with the key value pair. Okay, with author and their names. Book and their author names like this. Okay,
Yeah.
favorite books and author names. You can add favorite books. You can update, you can remove. You can check whether this book is present in that dictionary or what. Okay, so in today's class, we saw about what is a list and what is a set and what is a dictionary.
Yes.
Okay, so far we have covered about what is list, what is set, and what is a dictionary. So you are able to understand these things, right, Nikhil?
Yeah.
Okay. So on tomorrow's class, as we said earlier, like you need to cover up all these things for the first 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. From there onwards, again, we will start with this function and modules because
Yeah.
this is bit of complex stuff comparing to the easier one as of now so far we have covered.
Yeah.
Okay, these functions and modules are very important concepts. We are already using some functions. Okay, we are using some sort function, we are using some length function, right? So those kind of things also will be covered, and those are built-in functions. So the same way we can define our own functions in Python. So those things and all we will cover on tomorrow, the next week class. That's why we are having only very limited topics for this class 8 and class 9 because here we are going to cover a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And on class 10 and 11, it's almost over. That's it.
Okay.
So we still have only 4 classes left. 4 more weeks of torture for me.
Yeah.
So you are saying, yeah? Am I torturing you, Nikhil?
Yes.
Oh, you, you are feeling like that, huh? Okay. Okay, then, yeah. Yeah, end of the session. Yeah, another 4 classes. That's it. After that, we will have a projects and review classes. This we can
Yeah.
cover very simply. Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So far, like up to these 7 classes, do you have any big doubts so far, Nikhil?
Oh, my only, I don't know if it's a big doubt,
Okay.
is with the DIY do-it-yourself project.
Which
Um,
one? Which class? Like class 5
I
or
think
class 6?
class 7, the one that you told me to do.
Okay.
Class 7, the first DIY one.
This one. Working with sets. Okay.
So with this, do I just have to just figure out how it works and what I'm meant to do with and what it's
No,
meant to
no,
do?
let it be. Like, let this example as it is, be as it is. This is like a kind of a books collection, right? Favorite books and recommended sets, right? Same way, what you can do is you can put your favorite movies and the favorite heroes.
Oh,
Likewise.
and then work it like that.
Yes, correct. So you can put
Okay.
your favorite movies and you can put my favorite movie, something like this, and you can check whether yeah movie is present in this set or what. Likewise.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, same way. With your favorite movies, you can try like this. And same way, like here for the dictionary, you can try like favorite movies and actors, favorite actors.
Hmm. That makes sense.
So that is like a key value pair. Key will be your movie and value will be your actor.
Yeah.
Okay, here I will put a text block saying that Nikhil add his favorite movies and actors with the dictionary and do the operations. Okay, like this. Here, if you click this, you can directly come here and you can do that. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Same way, you can put a set also for this. Okay, here in set also.
Yeah. That was my only concern with this.
Yeah, in this notebook itself, do that meeting so that and the next class we will go through all these things again. Class 6 and class 7. Okay,
Yeah.
that's all about for today's class, Nikhil. Do you have any doubts or anything to
No,
bring up?
no more doubts.
Okay, yeah, then good, Nikhil. Nikhil, from next class onward, shall I shift this class in this timing, like 9:30 to 10:30? Is this convenient for you?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it is.
Just shuffle this one. All events in this series, I'm just shifting it to this time. Another 30 minutes.
Yep, 9:30 to 10:30 it works.
Yeah,
Perfect.
my time. That's 9:30 to 10:30 is my time.
Yep, yeah, that makes sense. That works.
That the time which we are in right now.
Yeah,
This is your time 12, right? You told me to
yeah,
start.
one
This is
12 to 1.
12:30. Yeah, 12:30
Yeah,
to 12 to 1.
yeah,
The same time only I have something.
yeah. Makes sense. We can do this. We can do
Yeah,
this.
thank you, Nikhil.
Yeah.
Yeah, take care. Bye bye.
Bye.